beauty enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to share amazing tips and tricks that will completely transform your beauty routine. You'll learn how to enhance your basic makeup skills and strengthen your routine with expert skincare advice. We'll explore which products are most effective, makeup hacks, and skincare secrets together. Are you ready to step up your game? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us on this beauty journey. Now, it's time to unleash your power and beauty. Create a daily skincare routine by using cleanser and moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Choosing the right cleanser for your skin type is crucial. If you have oily skin, you should opt for oil-free and light-formulated cleansers. If you have dry skin, you can benefit from cleansers with moisturizing properties. Be mindful when selecting your moisturizer to balance your skin's moisture level and provide protection against external factors. Don't neglect applying sunscreen. Protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays by using sunscreen. Ensure that the sunscreen you use has at least 30 SPF and apply it at least 15, 20 minutes before going out in the sun. Also, don't forget to use sun protective accessories such as sunglasses and a hat. Cleanse your skin of dead cells and support renewal by exfoliating once a week. Exfoliating once a week helps to cleanse dead cells from your skin, resulting in a healthier and more radiant complexion. If you have sensitive skin, you can opt for a milder exfoliating formula. Moisturize your hands and nails with moisturizing and nourishing hand creams. Use moisturizing and nourishing hand creams to maintain the moisture balance of your hands and nails. Especially in situations where you need to wash your hands frequently, moisturizing creams prevent your nails from breaking and drying out. Maintain your skin's moisture balance by drinking enough water every day. Consuming an adequate amount of water daily helps to maintain your skin's moisture balance. Drinking water helps your skin look healthy, hydrated, and glowing. Support the radiance and health of your skin with a nourishing diet and the right dietary supplements. A nourishing diet is crucial for maintaining the health of your skin. A diet containing nutrients such as antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin C supports the radiance and health of your skin. Enhance the youthful and lively appearance of your skin by adding antioxidant-containing serums or creams to your skincare routine. Antioxidant-containing serums and creams help combat signs of aging, allowing you to achieve a more youthful and vibrant look. Products containing vitamin C in particular promote a radiant and even-toned complexion. Cleanse your skin at the end of the day using makeup removers to allow it to breathe. At the end of the day, cleanse your skin to allow it to breathe and renew itself overnight by removing your makeup. When necessary, use the double cleansing method to completely remove makeup and impurities from your skin. Contribute to the youthful and healthy appearance of your skin through stress management and regular exercise. Stress can negatively impact the healthy and youthful appearance of your skin. Focus on stress management through regular exercise, meditation, or hobbies. This will help your skin stay youthful and healthy.